The plant in front of you is Equisetum hyemale, also known as horsetail. It's famous for helping to strengthen your teeth. It's great for your nails and for your hair. It's dried and ground into a powder, and then all you do is take a little bit, like a teaspoonful, for a couple of days on and a couple of days off. It's often packaged and sold as a part of other products that we have at the Grow Network. We also sell it in bulk from time to time, but we all have a big problem, and that is it's often out of stock. It's very difficult to get high-quality, clean horsetail. So I reached out to my friend Stephanie Sison, who's an amazing biodynamic farmer. I bought 1,600 plugs of Equisetum hyemale plants, and I gathered a crew of volunteers. We headed out of the city and drove way into the deep countryside jungle of Puerto Rico. There the team gathered and we began to plant and plant and plant until it was all done.
Hey everybody, this is Marjory Wildcraft with the Grow Network, and I have just been here with, gosh, how many of us are there? 5 lovely ladies, and then Acacia, and the dog Tulsi. And we've been planting Equisetum hyemale, and for those of you with the Grow Network, you know that's the herb that's, so good.
Good for the teeth.
Good for the teeth. Stephanie Sison, our fabulous biodynamic farmer, is the one in charge of the land here. And so Stephanie, one question I always have, and I want to assure viewers and people that buy stuff from the Grow Network, Equisetum hyemale is an ancient plant, and it's known to uptake, like if there's any kind of agricultural toxins or anything. So can you tell me a little bit about, bye Acacia, tell us a little bit about the watershed that we're in here, and
Sure.
what, if there are any possible contaminants that could come to this.
Sure. So we've been on this farm about 6 months, and one of the reasons we chose this farm is because we are at the top of the watershed in this area. So we don't have any neighbors impacting our watershed. Our water sheds off of this property onto other properties. The pond that we just cleaned out that we planted the Equisetum around is a spring-fed pond. And so all of the water just pops up from the earth, cleaning it out here a little bit past the pond, and then goes under the road and into our little pond. So it's the cleanest water we can find for the highest health medicinals that we can grow.
By the way, in case you didn't know, we are in Quebradillas, Puerto Rico.
Quebrada.
And we particularly chose the north western corner. It's far away from any kind of other kind of commercial agriculture, so it's a very clean area. And I wish you could be here with us. We've just had so much fun with the planting.
Oh, it's been great. Thanks to these gals, we made short work of it and got a bunch of that Equisetum in right along the pond's edge, so it'll be getting just enough water to grow really beautifully.
It's going to be wonderful, and we'll have that for sale. We'll be drying, and of course testing. We'll run it through laboratory tests and just to double, triple make sure. But know your farmer. This is Stephanie Sison. And if you ever get a chance to come down here, Stephanie has permaculture design certifications, forest gardening classes, planting, starting seeds, all kinds of stuff. And this is like a tropical paradise. It's incredible.
Yeah, so, thanks, Marjorie. And so this is, people can find us at the CaribbeanAgroforestry.org. And we have lots of classes and volunteer opportunities. So come down to Puerto Rico and check out this Equisetum.
All right, y'all. We'll talk to you later.